Do you ever wish that you had a reset button where you could simply push a button and you can just change the way you feel? Wouldn't that be amazing? Guess what? You can. And it's so simple that you can even get your children to do it as well. Wouldn't it be great when you're feeling really overwhelmed or have a really big feeling that's quite uncomfortable and be able to just reset it in a simple way that only takes a moment? Some people might actually know this as anchoring. So what is anchoring? Anchoring is a trigger. For example, when I smell pizza, it makes me feel really hungry and triggers me to want to eat it. When I'm hearing the ice cream van come down the street, which it does every day, it triggers me to feel really happy because it brings back really nice childhood memories of summers by the beach. Now, Grace, I want you to play along and just show everybody how simple it is. So anybody of any age can do this. What you need to do first is you need to think of maybe your happiest memory. Disneyland, okay. So to make this as strong as we can, I recommend you close your eyes. So just close your eyes. And I want you to imagine you're back there on that holiday in Disneyland. And I want you to see what it is that you could see. And I want you to hear what it is you heard in Disneyland. And I want you to smell what you can smell. Pineapples. It was Disneyland in Hawaii. And just, I can see you're smiling, so it's obviously a very good memory. And when you've got this memory and you've made it really bright and really loud and smell really strong, what I want you to do is to push your finger and your thumb together. Finger and thumb together, and squeeze really tight as you imagine this wonderful happy memory. And now I want you to release it and open your eyes. Okay. Now let's see how quick we can trigger that emotion. So what I want you to do is to squeeze that finger and thumb together and just see how quick it is to go back there. And just notice how good you feel when you go back. You feel really good? Yeah, okay. So the more that you do this, the more that you practice this, the stronger that trigger for happiness becomes. So every time you do it, you can make it brighter, stronger, smell better. So whenever the feelings that come that are overwhelming or uncomfortable, you can just push your finger and thumb together and go straight back there. And just notice how it resets everything. And this is how you reset your button. It's as simple as that. I'm Olivia, a hypnotherapist in Melbourne. I hope you enjoyed this tip.